Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use the present tenses for future occasions. When we talk about the future, we can use two different types of present tenses to refer to something that is still in the future. We can use the present continuous tense, or we can use the present simple tense. If we use present continuous tense, the structure is subject, to be, verb plus ing together. We use this for personal arrangements. So have a look at the sentence example. We are going to the ball tonight. Tonight tells us that it is in the future, so we have the subject, we, are, because the subject is we use the word are in the present, plus verb plus ing, going, and that makes it continuous. So this is a present continuous tense sentence, and we are using it for a future arrangement that we made. Let's have a look at another example. I am going to the cinema tomorrow. The word tomorrow tells me that this is happening in the future. Subject, I, so I used the word am because of the subject, plus verb plus ing, going. And this is for a personal arrangement that I made. Let's have a look at one more sentence example in the present continuous tense. I am meeting Jim at the airport next week. Next week tells me that this is happening in the future. Subject plus am plus verb plus ing, meeting. We can also use present simple tense, and here the structure is subject plus verb. We use this when we talk about times or dates. So have a look at the sentence example. The ball starts at 7 p.m. Okay. So we know it's something in the future because it still needs to start. And we are talking about a time, 7 p.m. So we wrote this sentence in the present simple tense for a future event. Let's have a look at another example. The movie starts at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is a time, so I wrote the sentence in the present simple. Subject, the movie, and then verb, starts. And let's have a look at one last example. Jim's flight lands at 10 a.m. on May 4th. So here we have the subject, Jim's flight, followed by the verb lands, and I wrote this in the present simple tense because I'm using a time and date in this sentence. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.